Binance will be launching a new token on their Launchpool AEVO token right here. You'll be able to find this token right here, or come to this more and navigate to this N and press Launchpad. You need to press this Launchpool right here, and it's going to bring you to this event right here. The total reward for this event is 45 million of this token. Farming period is going to last for 5 days. Until farming start is 10 hours 7 minutes. And right here you have to pool option: stake FDUSD pool to share 20% of total allocated rewards, or stake BNB in this pool to share 80% of total allocated reward in this event. And right here you can press either of these two, and you need to press stake if you want to stake BNB or FDUSD. You can purchase this token if you don't have in your account. And right here you need to, if you want to stake this BNB, you need to press BNB and press the amount of token you want to stake and stake. You need to purchase this FDUSD pool and purchase this token. The staking option is going to be available once you have this token in your account. Just press stake and you'll be able to stake your token. I'm going to make follow-up video on full tutorial on how to stake this token using this event. I want to give you guys quick update about this event. So if you understand the whole process like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification. If you don't understand, make sure you subscribe also. So I'm going to make a follow-up video so you can understand this process of this event. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to make a follow-up video. Thank you.